So hi friends, I am back with another video called Collection in the Canvas app. So what is the collection? First, let's understand that. So collection is nothing but a group of data or a kind of a table like in the data ways. So if you want to create some similar kind of data, then you need you can create a collection, and it is like local data into your entire application. Once you create a collection in one screen, it will be visible to your entire app. Okay, so how we can create a collection? So in order to I'll make you understand. So first I'll this is my test application where I have inserted as a text box here, like insert text. So this input you can take it. I have taken as here employee name, and here I have taken as a drop down. Insert a drop down. So here is my drop down. Into drop down and select a drop down, I have given this the value statically I have passed, and you can refer to other values as well, other data sources, but I have given the static value called male, female, transgender, or do not wish to disclose it. And how you define, you can see on my screen. So you can use like that. And then I have defined three buttons. So I have insert and buttons. So that's how you can insert your button into your application. And I have used a different functions over here. So on the first button, I have used this, format text, this function called collect. And how you define, let me tell you. First, we can use the function collect. Okay, collect, and then you can close and that's how I write it, and give name my collection, and then comma, and then press curly braces, close it, and then give the column name, employee name, and the value how it will come we will define it later. And then I am giving comma gender, and then how the value will come we will define it. So I want to give the value in from this text. So I'll take this input from here, and and then go back to here, and I'm giving here and give that as a text. Like that you can take multiple columns input from here, and then in this what is the value for this? Go here and take the this copy and come here and this, and then give the value called this, how drop down dot selected dot value. Okay, and so that's all. So, and if you ClearCollect is like a collection, it works as a pen function. Like once you add one row, if you want to add another row, you can just add on, it will add on top of that. But if you use ClearCollect, I think I'm just changing the function to ClearCollect. It means it will clear the previous value, it will add new values. In this button I have used just clear function. Okay, and given the my collection which I want to clear it. Okay, let's run this application. I am giving here my name as Rachna, and the female collect, giving the Sarita, female collect, giving the Rohit, male collect. Okay, let's see the value. So there are two ways to see the collections. First, you can come to your button, you can double click on your collection, and you can see the my collections here. Okay, perfectly, it's coming fine, absolutely amazing. And then if you want to see from here also, you can come here, my new my collection view table, and it is giving, I have two collections into this system, and this is my the first collection that I've created in front of you. While if I use the function called ClearCollect, right, clear, I want to insert like suppose Ram mail and ClearCollect. Then if you go back to your collections, so and here come here, and maybe I have used the different collections here, right? So in this collection, uh, I am giving the command to my collection, right? So here is my collection, and in this ClearCollect, okay, double click, and my collection, and see all values are gone. Now it is the here, right? So it's taking the value from this input text. So let me take the value, what is the uh, something EMP name. Okay, I've created another EMP name, and in this is EMPL name, right? That's why it's going into different two columns. In this column, I'm storing the value into EMPL name, and in this collection, I'm storing the value into EMP name. That's why if you see here, there are three columns over here: EMP name, EMPL name, and gender. Okay, in this one, I am using this. In this, I am using that. Okay, and that's all. So now if I run the function to clear, then it will clear all my collections, right? So if I come here, double click on it, double click, and then see nothing, we don't have any data for this. Apart from this, how you can manipulate your collections, so that also I'll show you here. So like suppose you want to filter your collections. How will you filter this? Filter my collection name and age, and this. So in the collection, basically clear collect is this. I have already explained to you the data source, right? So you need to give the name, and the data source could be anything. It could be your static value, inputs from your Canvas app, inputs from your SharePoint, inputs from your Dataverse. So that could be anything to your collections. Okay. So that's how you define, and then you give the update. If my collection ID equals to this, then update to this. So that's how you will update your collection. So this is, all about the collections and most of the operations, what we can perform maximum on collection. I have covered it, that I have used in my projects. So that's all for this video. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions and query, please let me know in comment section below. Thank you. Bye bye.